Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint in Silly Sword Game. To begin, you'll need to complete the Verdant Valley quest, which is available from the Elder in Oakhaven village. This quest involves gathering 3 sunpetal flowers and defeating the moss golem. Once finished, the Elder will grant you access to the Whispering Woods, a mystical new zone. This area is the exclusive location where mint can be found, so completing the quest is absolutely essential for your progress. After completing the Verdant Valley quest, return to the Elder in Oakhaven. They will give you a special enchanted key, which is the only way to open the ancient gate to the Whispering Woods. The entrance is located just north of Oakhaven Village, past the old stone bridge. Be sure to equip your best gear and bring plenty of healing potions, as the creatures within the Whispering Woods are quite formidable, often having over 500 health points. Once inside the Whispering Woods, your primary target for mint will be the Glimmering Sprites. These elusive creatures are found throughout the forest, particularly near the glowing mushrooms. Each Glimmering Sprite has a 3.5% chance to drop 1 mint upon defeat. To maximize your farming efficiency, try to group them together and use area of effect attacks. Patience is key, as it may take several attempts to gather a significant amount. To further boost your mint acquisition, consider using luck potions, which can increase your drop rate by 15% for a limited time. Also, teaming up with 2 or 3 other players can significantly speed up your farming, allowing you to clear areas much faster. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep grinding, and you'll have all the mint you need for those powerful upgrades in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.